Alright guys, so I'm just going to be using the potion primer and prime this all over my eyes. You guys know I love this so much. Okay guys, so I just applied the primer and you guys know how I apply my primer. So we're just going to go straight to the palettes and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. It's really dirty, I'm sorry. We're going to be using that today, and we're also going to be using this palette from Toofaced Cosmetics, and this is the clover. Yeah, let's just get started right away. Anyways guys, my phone decided to be crazy, so yeah, I just took this shade from the Morphe palette and I just applied it on my creases. I just applied it, started from the outer V and worked my way to the inner corners. You guys know, if you guys watch my tutorials, I like to do that because then I focus more of the products out on the outer V and then I just bring the left remaining products to the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take this shade from the Morphe palette with the same brush because I ain't feeling like using another brush, and I feel like the lighting of my phone isn't doing a really good job, but I'm just gonna go through with this video. And so yeah, we're just gonna start and also do the same thing, but this time we're gonna do a little bit lower than when we apply the other shade, and then do the same exact thing, just like that. And if you can see it, yeah, right now it looks dramatic, I know. Tap tap. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. This time I'm gonna put the mirror a little bit lower because I feel like it's attracting light. So we're just gonna do something over here. It's okay if you blend it onto the eyes right here because you're gonna do a little tiny cut crease using concealer. So it's totally gonna be fine. And it's also gonna go well with this look that I'm creating anyway. And then we gonna use like a normal brush with no products at all. And this one is the Morphe M433 brush, and we're just going to blend the top here so it doesn't look as bad.
I am doing a horrible job putting this mirror into my face. That the color of this... Hello, focus, okay.
That this camera is not doing a good job. Alright, so we're just going to be blending the top here so it doesn't look harsh, because it is looking harsh right now.
And I'm trying to not put the mirror up on the freaking camera because it's not working. It is doing a horrible job, let me tell ya. I'm pretty sure you know already. Look, this is an iPhone 8 Plus. Come on, like, seriously? You gotta work.
Okay, so we're going to be using the Makeup Forever concealer to cut the crease. You guys know how I do it if you watch my tutorials. I always say that because if you do, you know that you're always going to be watching the same old thing. Even though my shadows and my designs are going to be different. Okay, so now I don't know where I put my crease. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Luxie 221 brush. And this is like really flat one. And I'm just going to be cutting my crease. I'm just going to start like in the middle and put it right there, if you guys can see, so you guys can see the cut crease. Good. So we're just gonna do it right in the middle because that is the look we're gonna do. I'm just gonna cut it right there, make a little ovally shape right here, and just gonna tap. Now I got some on my eyelash. My eyelashes ain't gonna blink away. If it does, whatever, there's false lashes. Alright, so we're just going to do this, and as you can see, my crazy little cut crease is like that, looking really funny, and we're going to do the same thing over on the other side.
See, I'm doing it again. I am putting this mirror right in front of the camera, and the camera of my phone isn't liking it. It's like, stop shoving that red mirror in my face.
And if you guys noticed, I am actually doing my first video of talk through makeup tutorial. If that makes any sense, because I normally do a voiceover because I don't got time. And I kind of have the time today, so I'm just gonna film.
Like this, with my phone. With my phone.
So after you do this with your eyes, we're going to apply. I think I'm gonna be using this shade right here and this shade right here, and we're just gonna use our fingers. So I'm gonna use my fingers, and we're just gonna put it right where we put the concealer, where we did that little cut crease, and it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look really, really shiny, which is gonna be a really, really good thing. These two shades, and we're gonna do the same thing over here. So we're gonna go to this palette, not this one, and we're gonna be using this pink one right here called Daddy's Love is Love, and we're gonna be using, ignore that horribly, and we're gonna be using this one called Daddy's Me, and we're gonna be putting that. I'm just gonna use this mirror, hopefully this one works better, on the section of the outer V here and the inner corner of the eye. So it's gonna look like this.
I just love this look. Looks so nice. And over there, I'm gonna make this look really good.
Definitely love Descendants of the Sun. Y'all watched it, y'all gonna love it. So if you messed up a little bit like I did right now, just kind of blend it with your hands. Go back with the other color that you used earlier and put that right there, and it's gonna do good. Bring your little brush again. Oh, if I didn't say it, this is the Morphe 518 brush, and just, you know, do that. I'm just gonna fill up a little bit. And after that, we're just going to take the other brush that had no product at all. This one looks like it has product, but actually it doesn't have any product on it. It's just haven't got the time to wash it. It's only been like yesterday that I used it, so it's fine. We're just going to be blending the harsh areas up top here.
Blend it to perfection.
And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this brush again, this one that we cut our crease. I'm just gonna clean this area down here so it looks a lot straighter and it won't look too bad. So right now, this is how the makeup is looking right now. We're going to be taking a brush here. Let me find one. And this one called the Morphe E18. And I'm just going to be using, let me see, sometimes I forget the shades I'm going to use and I just pick one. But we're just gonna go back with this one right here. So we're just gonna highlight our brows right there. So our brows are popping as well. Because you want to make your brows look beautiful too, you know.
And in this entire video, I'm looking at the, the viewfinder or whatever. Sorry.
Anywho, after this, we're going to be applying eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner we're using today is the NYX Liquid liner here. So we're just gonna do a line. We're gonna do a wing liner.
Because I just feel like it. I mean, this way you don't have to, but for me, I feel like I want to. Okay, and I took my brush though. Eyeliner went dry. Okay, so this side is done with the liner, and this side has no liner. Okay, let's do the other one.
Okay, now that the wing liner is completed, we're going to be putting on mascara and also putting on false lashes, and then we'll move on to the lower part of the eye for this look.
Baby, I know you just need the middle. I do this just a little.
I'm going to be using the Paradise one by L'Oreal Paris. So into this one, it's the same thing as the Better and Sex mascara. And so yeah, and I'm looking this way because my mirror is over there as well. So I'm going to be using the lashes by Kiss, and this is the one that's called Corset. Amazing, I like this one. am no expert in putting on lashes. I just do whatever to get it on my eyelids. But it's gonna look something like this. And let me fix this side. Sometimes I take forever to put the lashes on because either the lash glue isn't dried yet, or I just put it on too fast, or I wait for the glue to dry completely and then I put it on my eyes and then it doesn't work. Oh gosh. Come on, stick to my eyes. Okay, now that we have the lashes on, we're gonna move on to the bottom. And I forgot to apply mascara for the bottom lash, so I'm gonna do that. This is pretty much a horrible makeup tutorial so far. But if you enjoy it, that is awesome. And let me know, subscribe if you're new, and tell me if you want to see more talk through videos.
Light, focus, please focus.
Then we're going back to this palette right here. Yes, going to this one. And we're going to be taking a flat brush. I'm just going to be using this one by NYX Cosmetics. And we're going to be taking this shade right here, this beautiful purple shade right here. Hello. Yeah, we're just gonna be putting it right here.
That brush is not helping me. We're gonna get a tinier brush. I'm gonna find it.
Okay, so we're gonna be using this one, the Morphe M432. Okay, this one's gonna be way better. Oh my gosh, that was a huge mistake to use that one right there. So I'm just gonna blend this part out and blend this part out with this brush. And then I'm going to be taking the next shade here, and this is the darker shade here. And we're just going to be putting that in the middle of this part right here. And blending it with the purple. Make this look nice, right? We're gonna make this look amazing and bright and vibrant and summery and all that. And then we're gonna be moving on and taking this shade right here, this one right here, and this one together right there. La la la. And then we're just gonna place it right in the middle like that. And next, we're just gonna take, I'm like throwing my brushes right in front of me, a brush here, and this is the Morphe E36. I'm just gonna be using this a beautiful shade right here mixed with this shade right here together. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner of my eyes to brighten that area up. So yeah, just gonna put that right there.
Wow, so nice, so beautiful. Oh my god, I like it.
Alright guys, this is the complete look of this makeup tutorial today. I was gonna do a zoom in on the look, but my phone was doing a horrible job. The lighting wasn't perfect, so I just skipped on it, but I'll just come a little bit closer so you guys see it a little bit closer. And yeah, if you guys do want to recreate this look, just tag me on Instagram. If you follow my other social medias, tag me there. I want to see you guys recreate it because it means a lot to me, and I am just excited to see my subscribers, which is my family, recreate my look, because that just drives me excited, makes me want to make more looks and more creation here, you know, and just for you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, if you have not followed me on my social medias, you need to follow me. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but you should, you know, why not? But yeah, so any other than that, I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed this look. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, let's get this family higher. And yeah, but if you enjoy other videos, then makeup tutorials like hauls and other stuff, and you know, reacting videos, follow my other YouTube channels. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys soon in my next coming up video.